Hey everyone, today we are going to go over one of the newest, most amazing updates that Lightroom just rolled out that for me was a game changer. 9 times out of 10, when I'm working on editing pictures, I have to do some sort of mask over my subject, whether it make them brighter, enhance the shadows, reduce the highlights, anything. And this is how I have to do it. I have to color over my subject. Color there. I need to zoom in to make sure I'm getting as close to the edge as possible. And it's never a crisp line along the edge. It's a soft, feathered radius that I just have never been happy with. It's worked, but it's just not great. Well, Lightroom must have heard us because they have introduced one of the most amazing updates ever. So I'm going to remove this mask off of here and I'm going to show you how much faster it can be done. So I chose the brush option. Well, now I'm going to choose select subject. So I'm going to tap that and watch this. Look at that. It's done. Look at how fast that was, and look at how nice and crisp along the edge it is. You would never even know that the computer did it all on its own. So easy, so fast, and has literally shaved minutes upon minutes, maybe even hours off of my total editing time for a session. I can't get over it. It's the most time-saving update I have ever seen in my life. And on top of that, not only can you do that with the subject, but if you need to put a mask on your sky, again, the old-fashioned way, I'd be over here coloring in the sky, slowly going around my subject, around the trees. But no, not anymore. Watch this. I am going to choose Create Mask, select Sky, and watch. The sky, look at that. Exactly where I needed it, exactly how I wanted it. And now I can just come over here. I can reduce my highlights. I can bring the exposure down a little bit if I want to. Bring down the blacks. Anything I want to do. And it's going to do it just in that area that was selected. And it was selected so pristine that it's such a time-saving, awesome update that my mind is still just blown every time I edit a new session. I just absolutely love it. Have you used this new feature yet? Is it as cool for you as it was for me? I still just can't get over it. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite part of the newest update was. Mine was definitely this masking feature. So if yours was too, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and follow along for more tips and tricks in Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop.